Okay. Dig this shit. Cleared up in here enough. Getting more like a garage now. We got some space. We don't have a toy car to play with yet. I did redone the deck on the lawn tractor, so it's good. Well, what we're going to do is that thing. Time to fix that up. We can go fishing. I thought play with the metal detectors where there's a lot of islands in the lakes down here where people go camping or just park and play. Gotta be good for detecting. I figure there'll be Pull Tab City, but might be fun. So we're gonna get that in here and doctor it up. You ain't gonna believe how this goes. The first thing you gotta do, take the lower unit off. You'll see why.
Need the hammer? Or is there just pressure on it?
I think there's pressure on it. See if you can pull it out.
That's how you do it.
Dumb and Dumber, we got it that far.
Guess we didn't need the... Need me to get my hand in there again?
No, it's working. Okay, is this redneck retarded enough? See what happens.
You're down.
So how about that horse shit? What do rednecks do on winter days? We ain't got nothing better to do. Keeps us from chasing cars up and down the street, playing in traffic like Ma would say. So yeah, smoke break. Ain't this retarded enough? It's at a level he can get at now too.
Works for me.
Didn't show you why did I? Ain't that jacked up? I've redone the inside a couple times, but it's been 10, 50, 20, 25 years ago. So we're going to tear all this shit out and redo it. Get some new controls cables.
You know David Sereno from Woodhull?
There's why it's sitting on the floor in here. We got those two boards out of there. We got the trolling motor off.
I gotta get that side now.
I had added those boards to put the deck on top of so it's higher up. But then I didn't like it. That's why it's sitting on the floor. He can get at stuff.
Can.
Your poodle too.
Yeah, working at getting this cleaned up some more. Using a camera that I don't know too well. We got some major cleaning ahead of us.
There's a hell of a difference now. Looks like shit. Ain't looked like this the way on around 90. We get new cables, junk, garbage, trolling motors, seats, rotten wood going to the dumpster.